Director of Health Services Government of Meghalaya, Dr. AMAN, in a press briefing held on the 5th of January 2022, informed on the number of cases in the state that had tested positive for the Omicron virus. In a detailed update, Dr. AMAN informed that as of today, the 5th of January 2022, the number of active cases for the Omicron variant is only 1.
Affected by the new variant of COVID-19, that is Omicron. I would like to further add on what I had already informed the members, that the particular case which we had mentioned was a tourist from Assam. He had reported at Shillong on the 21st. The sample was taken on the 21st of December 21. As we have already informed, 2 are from Meghalaya district, and they have already recovered. They were COVID positive, they were isolated at home, and in the course of that isolation, their time period has been completed, and now they are well and have recovered and can go about their duties normally, without forgetting that the precautions, the SOPs as laid down, are to be followed strictly. There is only one case left, which is an active case infected with the Omicron variant. In that particular case, as has already been informed, is in Meghalaya under isolation, strict isolation, and there are no symptoms. The patient is doing very well.